To finish up talking about rational functions, an introduction to them, we're going to figure out what about those horizontal asymptotes, right? So let's not forget about those. We already looked at where vertical asymptotes come from and removable discontinuities, but we really didn't address horizontal asymptotes. And all we really need to worry about right now for this week is functions if the degree of the function on the top is smaller than the degree of the function on the bottom. Okay, so for example, you're going to see rational functions like f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 3. Okay, you're going to see g of x is equal to x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. Okay. Or finally, you might see something like x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x cubed minus 1. Okay, so notice that the degree on the top, the polynomial on the top, the degree is smaller than the degree of the polynomial on the bottom. So for example, 1, the degree on the top is actually the x is 0, and here the x degree is 1. Here the degree is 1, and the degree here is 2. And here the degree is 2, and at the bottom the degree is 3. Oh, and now let's just do one more, because I don't know why I didn't think of this, but you can also have like 1 over x cubed plus x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, notice the degree on the top is still smaller than the degree on the bottom. Okay, and in those cases, the horizontal asymptote will always be y equals 0. It's a smaller number on the top and a larger number on the bottom. And we're going to look at next week, when we do a little bit more about rational functions and specifically their graphs, we will look at what happens if the degree on the top is the same as the degree on the bottom, and what happens if the degree on the top is larger and the degree on the bottom is smaller. So in your homework, it asks about an oblique asymptote, and oblique asymptotes happen when the degree on the top is larger than the degree on the bottom. We will be, finding those next week, but right now you don't have to worry about them because all of the functions that you'll be asked about, the degree on the top is smaller than the degree on the bottom. So your horizontal asymptote is always y equals 0.